Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the use authentication Node.js. The last video, that is logout route. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So the last is that is logout. So what is the phenomena of the logout? If you are doing in the front end has a REST API. If they store the token in the cookies or the local storage, then they have to clear it. And when they do the clearing the token, so here we will see that the response dot clear cookie the token, and then return that the logout successfully. They have to do that one. Or they have the local storage token is there, then they have to remove the token and then move that user to the login screen. Then they do the login again and generate the new token, then save the new token. This is how the logout process comes into the role. So this is how you can do the logout. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.